this roof rack, and I know a lot of people worried about installing it on their Model 3. So the important thing is you've got these stickers, and they've got little arrows which you didn't match up to the roof of the car. You'll see here shortly that the glass on your roof will have an up arrow. Yep, here we go. When you put the sticker on the car, you got to make sure that it matches up, and it kind of guides you through the rest of the installation. So here you can see the little picture of the car is on the sticker, and then the arrows on the sticker match up to the arrows on your roof, because there's a little clip under there you need to clip into. It's really important you do that. People who break their glass, I think they're missing that clip. They don't put it in the right spot. They have a tool for you to help you put it in to pull the seal back. I also used a dental pick. I just found the dental pick easier. You hook the hook in, then you put this shoe on. When you put the hook in, if you try and move it back and forth, it'll be pretty obvious if you're in the slot. Yeah, just like that. If you're not in the slot, that should be pretty obvious as well. So you put the boot on the hook, and then the boots also have the little picture of the car with the arrow pointing to the front of the car. And then you put the roof rack on top of the boot, so the hook comes through the roof rack, and then you put a nut on it. So here's that screw, or that nut. You tighten it up. I tightened it finger tight, and then I took the tool that they gave you. It's kind of like a imitation torque wrench. If you have a real torque wrench, I'd say use that. But this plastic torque wrench tool seemed to work okay. I didn't tighten it all the way down. I've had it on the car for a couple days, seems to be fine. The benefit of the locking one is you can tighten it up to where you're comfortable and then lock it, and you know it's not going to come off the car. I'll check it out again in a couple days, but you do that and then you put the cover on it. The other question is, how loud is this thing? Well, I made a video for that too. So I'm about to get on the freeway here, and you'll easily be able to hear the roof rack. Here it is. Till we got up to around 60, and you may be able to tell that